Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog. Good
morning, Pebbles. Hi. Good morning. Hi. You want to cuddle? Hi, good morning.
Down.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop, come on. Stop. Let's go. Bongo. Hey. Hey. Roscoe.
This is Sky. She's born deaf. When it's time to go for a walk, she doesn't understand. This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
How are you still asleep, little boy? Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hi. Hey. Hey.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun. I got my eggs back.
Making my way back home, been a long day. Time to see my fluffy dog.
Diggy. Are you a lesbian? Aw, I'm so proud of you.
You want to eat? No, it's not time. You just ate.
So apparently the people on TikTok like this. You walk in and boom, puppy. And now we're TikTok famous.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake gum.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.